So we are out here today working on putting a backup camper in Matt's truck. I've previously done the stereo install, and I'm going to finish up the backup camera. And something I have worked with before is a company called iCrimp, and I've used several of their electrical, like wire strippers and crimpers and stuff before. Very high quality, love them. Recently I went through, I wasn't thinking, and I had went and done one in Ashland and had everything in my backpack, and then I went to go to Formula D and left my crimpers in the PAG, and TSA took them. So, and those are my favorite crimpers, so I had to buy another set. Well, when they did, iCrimp sent me something else. This is the iCrimp ICP-338. What this actually is, it comes in a starter kit. It comes with your strippers and crimpers, like all in one tool here. A bunch of butt connectors, a bunch of like rings and spades, zip ties, everything in a little case. And this will be great because this will be amazing if I have to do like another stereo install. I can throw that whole case in my backpack with all my cameras and I'm ready to go. This is a great little thing. You can keep it in your car, keep it in your truck, whatever. I really like it. I've never used one of these that like strips the wire like that. Grabs it and strips it. It is very, very easy. Pull this in here so you can see. You literally just put the wire, feed it in like that, leave it over this little plastic piece a little bit. As you can see, you just, whoop, and then it will pull the wire. That was a big piece, but and then you just pull this off, and it's exposed. And then what I'll do is I'll put my butt connector on it. The thing I like too is down here you have red, blue, and yellow. It tells you which side. That way you can crimp. This is just all-in-one handy. Like I said, it comes in that little case, all the butt connectors you never need. If I run out of butt connectors, I'll just reload it with some of the ones I have. And this will be great. I highly recommend this. I will put a link in the description of this video if you need it. These are handy. My stepdad's been an electrician for like 30 years, and he's used some of these iCrimp tools with me and said that this is something he would have used on his job. So I really like this. Plus, it's got you can just cut the wire if you need to too. Like if I need to cut a little bit of this off, just yoink, cut. Awesome. Get one of these. I recommend it.